So hello everyone. So this is the solution on the problem statement which are given by the Udo. So our solution StockMaster, which is created by our entire team next Vite. So let's explore our project. So this is the landing page of our project. So you can see here we have given all the benefits and all the testimonials in landing page. So let's explore the project. So first of all, we start login. So you can see this is a login page of our website. So also you can create a new user by click on register. So first we create the admin. So let's create admin. So you from this you can assign the role to the user. For currently we are assigning the admin. So we create a successful user. So here also we have validate if password does not match, it give alert message that password does not match. So as you can see, we have created one user and assigned the role admin. So now we create a user. So you can see the user successfully registered and we are come on the landing page. Also, we can also log in as a staff. So I show one. So from this, we can log in as from this, we can also create account for staff role also. So I have already created the staff credential. I just log in. So you can see login successful here. You can see the role of the user here. We have login with the staff role. So you can see the staff and here we are login with the admin. So you can see the role admin. So in this, there is a one more functionality of forgot password. So I can show if someone forgot the password, just enter the email through which he is registered. So you can see here the toast notification come that the OTP has been sent successfully. So we go to the email and you can see the latest time that is 5:35. The email has been come with OTP. So we just copy this OTP and paste the OTP here and whatever the new password we want to set that we set here. So you can see the password gets successfully reset. Now again back with that same credential. Okay, so let's explore the project in detail. So you can see there is landing dashboard. So here you can see the total number of product, total stocks, low item alert, and the movement reset. And here the dynamic graph is updated when the order or the product is created. So let's explore. So first we create one product. So you can see here are for now there is no product. There are two way to create the product. We can add the product by manually, and if we have any Excel sheet, through that we also import. So let's first we add the product by manually. So let's assume we add the phone. So assume that our is an electronic shop. So we add in the phone stock like phone ID. So electronic as a category. So here is a reorder level means we have to set the minimum order level up. What happen when the stock pieces come that minimum order level, it is shown on the dashboard that this stock has been come to the end. So for now we just keep the five minimum order level. So you can see the product has been created successfully. Also it is added in the database also. So you can see for now there is a zero number of zero products. Once we created a successfully, you can see the stock is also updated in the database. So now on okay. So in though the staff also have access to see the whatever the products which are added by the admin, but staff cannot add any project. He just can manage the products. So here the second option to add the project is the import CSV file. So let's see this functionality. So here we have give the strict schema that our CSV file should have these columns only. So I have one sample CSV file. So I show by updating that. So in this sample file, I just have add only one piece, one stock. You can add whatever number of stock. So whenever we import, you can see the product imported successfully, which is monitored. In my Excel sheet, I have add the stock monitor, that is also come in the database. Once we refresh our database, you can see the monitors also come in the database. Okay, so these are the functionality of creating products. So let's see, we have the number of branches or number of go downs. So what if we have to create the number of location, so we can create the location by adding location. So for now we are going to make the two location. First, the main shop, the pin code, description. So you can see the shop has been created. We are going to make one more location, that is like go down. So here you can see we have successfully created two locations that are also successfully stored in the database. So you can see two locations are set in. Also, these same locations are seen to the staff. Here you can see when we go to the staff also see the same location. Now let's explore the feature of our product. So whenever the admin has added any project, go on view project. So here by this option, he can add the stock, remove the stocks, transfer stock from one branch to another branch, and also adjust the stock. Let's see, add some stock. So here we add that when we add the phone, so we have just adding the number of increasing the number of phone stocks. So you can see whatever the stock we are added, there are coming this drop down. So we select the phone, we have to increase the quantity of that stock like 200, and on which location we have to add that stock. For now we are going to add the stocks on main shop. So you can see the data has been successfully added. So whenever you go on the products, you can see whatever the minimum level and all the piece. For now we have added the 200 pieces. So you can see here on dashboard, you also see total number of product, total quantity of stock, low risk item, recent movements. Here the graph update dynamically, and here we show the low alerts. For in our example, when we created the phone, we have at the recorded level 50, and here are the recent movement. So here is option to create the receipts, like we have to create the receipt of that phone. So you can see the receipt has been successfully created. Here is option for delivering the product. If you want to deliver any project, we can deliver from it. For example, the phone product we have to deliver. So we just have to deliver the 100 pieces of the phone from our main shop. You can see the deliver process successfully. From transfer, this is option two. If you want to transfer the stock from one shop to another shop, like for example, if you want to transfer the stock from main shop to the go down shop, so here we can select the locations of that. For example, we take the same example of phone. Whatever the quantity we have to transfer, for example, if we have added only the 200 quantity of, if by default we add the more quantity which we does not have. So whenever we going to transfer from main shop to go down shop, it gives the error that insufficient stock at location, means it's telling that there is a minimum stock at that location. So we are going to transfer only 50 stocks. Sorry, we have selected your monitor. Okay, so you can see the stock transfer has been successfully. In adjustment, you just have to adjust if any stock are out of date or any expiry. You can just remove by entering the number of stock we have to remove. So here is a history page. Here you can see all the history which we recently done. So here is a filter option to get the specific history. For example, if you want to see only the receipt history, here you can see we can only see the receipt history along with transfer. along with adjustment. So we does not have to do any adjustment, so we cannot see any history. And all type we can see all the history. Same here for any specific product we want to see the history, we can see. Uh, Same also with the location. So this is all about the admin panel. Let's go to the staff panel. So this is the staff panel. Staff panel does not have access to add any project, any product. He just have an access to edit the product. For example, this is a monitor which is present in the go down. He want to update this stock. He goes to the add shop. He want to increase the quantity of that stock like 200 in go down. With this the receipt is also created and the stock size is also increased. You can see the dashboard. Here are the stock price get increases, and this is the bar graph to what see the changes. Also with the chart bar graph to see the movement and of type distribution. And here you can see the recent movements in dashboard also. And same as the history shown to the staff also. I want to see the last one feature that if any stock is our, if stock item is at low, so it going to give alert that this stock has been come to the end. For example, here is a stock of phone with 300 pieces. We are going to transfer all these 300 pieces to the go down, and let's see the changes. Sorry, here we from going to individual product we can see how many pieces are available in our shop and how many are godown. For now in our main shop there are only 295 pieces are available and 5 in the godown. Here we can see the total number of pieces. So now we are going to transfer this 295 pieces all in the godown and see how the alert message comes. So you can see transfer successfully on dashboard. Previous there is a no stock, low stock item. So now you can see there will be the. So this is our final solution on StockMaster. Thank you.